Hello, Jamor here, and again, welcome to the new unboxing tech, the next level of mobile convenience with the iTel A80. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality in a smartphone that works as hard as you do. Featuring a sleek design, incredible battery life, and smart link for smoother connectivity, the iTel A80 is here to redefine your digital experience. The iTel A80 box includes the smartphone itself, user manual, rubber black protective case, which I prefer the transparent one, Type-C cable, the charger adapter, and the SIM ejector pin. The iTel A80 is a budget-friendly smartphone released in September 2024. It runs on Android 14 with iOS 14. The iTel A80 is having a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The phone is powered by the Unisoc T603 chipset and comes with 3GB or 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. It has a 50 megapixels rear camera and an 8 megapixels front camera for selfies. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 10-watt wired charging. It's a solid choice for those looking for an affordable smartphone with essential features like iTel A80. With a SmartLink technology designed to enhance connectivity, and these innovative features improves signal stability, automatically repairs poor network signals, and reduce latency by up to 20%. It's particularly useful for ensuring smoother internet and call experiences, especially in areas with a weaker network coverage. It is also equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is a plus for extended gaming sessions. Now the question is it also good for gaming? Well, the iTel A80 primarily designed not particularly for gaming, but suitable for basic tasks and light gaming like Mobile Legends, and may struggle with more demanding game applications like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG. It has an overall performance rating of 157,831, which indicates heavy and graphics-intensive games are not advisable for this device. The Unisoc T603 chipset and 3GB or 4GB of RAM can handle the game at low to medium settings. So, is it a good buy? Well, it always depends on your needs. Like, if you're just looking for a budget-friendly mobile phone and has a large HD display with long battery life and just mainly for calling, texting, and light applications just for everyday tasks, well, yes, the iTel A80 could be a smart choice. However, if you need more power or plan to game heavily, looking for professional quality camera, or even wanted a premium feel smartphone, you might want to consider alternatives within slightly higher price range.